Rising cancer rates in people under 50 in the U.S. A new study highlighting increases in more than a dozen types of cancer. Emergency medical physician Dr. Stephanie Widmer joins us now to talk about this. Dr. Widmer, thanks for being here. Happy Mother's Day to you. Break down for us what this study shows.
So this study, in a nutshell, it essentially showed rising incidence of over a dozen different types of cancer occurring in young adults or adults under the age of 50. The study looked at over 20 million cases that have been diagnosed from the year 2010 to the year 2019 and found that approximately 14 of these different types of cancers are increasing, especially in young women. Women accounted for 63% of the cases that were in this study, and the cancers that appear, the early onset cancers that appear to be rising in women are breast cancer, thyroid cancer, and melanoma. And in men, it appears that colorectal cancer, testicular cancer, and melanoma are rising. So what is also concerning is that mortality rates for some of these different types of cancers, in particular uterine cancer and colorectal cancer, also appear to be uptrending.
So I want to be clear, this isn't just about detecting it more, it is about more diagnosis. We're seeing more of those?
So that's really the question here. Why is this happening? What is pushing these numbers? What is causing these trends? There are a couple different schools of thought. Could this be because of better imaging modalities and better detection, or is there something else that's going on? Diet, environmental factors. So really getting down to the why is what is going to be the next big focus here.
So what do young Americans and doctors need to know? What can they do?
So there are things that are already happening. So for example, breast cancer screening, colorectal screening, the age at which that should start happening has already been adjusted appropriately, but there's always something that can be done. Take care of yourself, eat a healthy, well-balanced diet, avoid smoking and limit alcohol intake. And just because you're young and otherwise healthy, do not ignore symptoms. If you don't feel right, contact your doctor, get checked out.
Always pay attention and be
Always
watching
pay
your
attention.
health. Thank you so much, Dr.
Thank you.
Widmer.
Just so scary, all of it.
Very.
But thank you so much for that.